Welcome to our channel. If you want to order a Tesla vehicle online, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete your purchase from the comfort of your home. Step 1. Visit Tesla.com and browse the available vehicle models. Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, or Cybertruck. Step 2. Select the model you want to order by clicking on it. Step 3. Click Order Now or Order to begin configuring your vehicle. Step 4. Choose your preferred configuration, including range, wheel style, interior color, and exterior color. Step 5. Select any additional options you want, such as full self-driving capability, enhanced autopilot, or premium interior upgrades. Step 6. Review the estimated delivery timeframe and total price, including any applicable taxes and fees. Step 7. Click Continue to proceed to the order form. Step 8. Log into your Tesla account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 9. Enter your delivery information, including your name, phone number, and delivery address. Step 10. Choose your payment method. You can pay the full amount, apply for financing, or arrange a lease. Step 11. Place an order fee deposit, typically $250 for most models. This is refundable in most cases. Step 12. Review your order summary carefully, then click Place Order to complete your purchase. Step 13. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order details and estimated delivery date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.